You going to the woods today? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, down here. Actually, could. I'm gonna need it. I reckon I'm gonna get something like this down there. I reckon that way. Yeah, look. Yeah. Huh? What's that? Why don't I get in front of your thing? Isn't that where you walk? People are going, look what they do. They're picking up drugs down there, aren't they? And have you ever seen that there, Sean? Huh? You've never seen it there, have you?
No, there's rusty stuff up there.
Yeah, but that's a washing machine and that, Sean. Up there. You know what I mean? Definitely a Mark II Escort, isn't it? Because they're that rear. Because on the Mark ones they're just straight, and they Mark IIs came round the corner there. It's got a good petrol tank in it, eh? Oh, that petrol tank ain't caught on fire. Oh, yeah. I shoved that in there this morning. There's a hole underneath it. Rat hole. You say you've never seen that here, Sean? Huh? Yeah, the bonnet's there. Bonnet there. One of us got a number plate. Where would the VIN numbers be then? Oh, got a gearbox, isn't it?
Yeah, gearbox is
Think the VIN number be on this lot, will it?
even in the front somewhere.
What, along that front balance thing? Huh? What, along it? I thought that would have been on the side. Poor old girl. Rotted away. Good breed though, aren't they? I'm sure they used to marry on the side of these vineyards. I'm not finding a wire harness here. Should we plug it in? Put a battery on it. Huh? Cool, I'll tell you one thing, they're fucking old spikies. I'm sure the VIN numbers used to be here.
The old brake booster.
Yeah, that's the...
Gearbox.
You know what? Looking at that, fuck me, that's a serious braking system on this, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they're into basic Fiat, basic Escort. Is it? Can we save that indicator? Huh? To me, that... Oh, shit. Found something over here. What's that? Mate, you wonder what else is in these hedges, you know what I mean? Ah. I can't get in there now. These are blackthorns, boy. Tell ya. They're not nasty. They're nasty fucking things, they are. Let's see if we can find a VIN number. No number plate. Do you know what I say? Might have to save some door handles. Reese? Yeah, look. Chrome door handles. No one there, look. And I'll tell you one thing. Sitting out here, that fucking petrol tank don't look too bad. And it's got the petrol cap on it. What's that? What's that? Lost my glasses.
Would have been the boot lining. So we have a fire for the car.
There we go, look. Look at that. Worked perfect. Yeah, you have to look when kids get around. They chuck things around. I'll tell you one thing, the reason I ain't seen this before, yeah? It's a really old Fantic can over there. Hey, Ray, look at this wheel. Fucking look at this wheel. Unbelievable. I'm getting a funny feeling what this car is. Look at that wheel. Huh? Look at that wheel. There's something living underneath there. That makes you wonder what this could be, doesn't it? I think it's a gear with a black vinyl roof, silver. That's what I think it is. After seeing that wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ain't got no wheel on that side, is it?
No. Drum.
Huh?
The drum sat down there.
You ain't got no wheels on there. It's only got that one wheel on it.
Might be fucking...
What?
Like down in the bush, isn't it?
What's that underneath this block?
Or someone's already had the wheels off it.
What, and they couldn't get to that one?
Probably. To the bush.
What? That bush has fell down on it. You can see it's fell down on it. That's the grill. That part of the grill, isn't it? Mate, you've got to find yourself to go away with all your little bits and pieces. But I'll tell you one thing, that petrol tank, I think that's worth having out of there. Huh? I'll tell you one thing, even that part of the floor there is quite good, isn't it? Huh? Really? But with that being in there that long, there's a bolt there. Yeah, that's the bolt what's holding it all in place there. Just that one bolt. Yeah. One bolt holding that in there. I think that's worth saving, don't you? And I think that wheel's worth having off there. Don't you? Huh?
Yeah.
Just mind this wheel, Sean. It's that, look like a RS Ully wheel. There, on it. I bet somewhere there's a badge. What's that laying down there? I reckon somebody will want that as well. This, on the bumper here. That ain't damaged.
Badge, look.
No, this bit. Just that bit.
Oh, lovely.
Rubber. You get the door handles off it, can you? Huh? What's that? What's that? Oh! Oh, I thought that was a fucking badge then. Definitely something living underneath there. Right, I think we're get them off with then. Right, would that make a good wall ornament? Reese. I said somebody will want one of them. That's the fucking the other one. Isn't it? The other one this side was come off. The bumper. Crazy. Sitting in the woods. Jamie didn't come here 20 years ago. Could have saved it. Has it got a door handle on it? What's that? I reckon that badge what I found in that other wood. Yeah. It's got something to do with this. What's that then? Is that the steering column? Right. That's steering column. What's it doing this side? Well, if you went through this, you'll find a badge. You might even find a lump tape.